So the first trade is closed and we have profit. Okay, so we have $92 on the account right now. Downgoing channel, and you can clearly see that now price is hitting the upper edge of the declining channel. So that means that we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction from that zone. So that's why I have already opened sell position and wasting our $25 in this trade. So the first trade is closed and we have profit. Our current deposit is $48. Buy position, expecting the potential pullback reaction from the support line zone. Because, yep, once again, according to the Williams oscillator, the price was oversold, and now we need to get the pullback reaction. So we need to start growing. That's why we have opened buy position here. Okay, so we have $92 on the account right now. I have opened buy position and wasting our $90 that we had on the account. So we have just $2 left. Let it be our safe asset. $90 I invested and we're just waiting for the result of this trade. Okay, so let's do this. Let's wait and see what will we get from here. So one more trade is closed with profit and we have $174 on the account. We are ready to move forward. We're in the short declining channel. Let me change our investment to $130 and open buy position, because according to the Williams oscillator, price is really oversold. That means that we don't have enough space for continuation of the current drop, and we are highly likely to start receiving the pullback reaction, change direction for at least a short time period, to show a short-term upgoing correction, and that's why we have opened buy position here and wasting our $130, and still we have around $45 left on the account, which is our hedge asset. By the way, guys, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open description to it and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay, my friends, while I was talking, this trade was closed with profit and we have around $300 on the account right now. Let me open for you BGD CNI currency pair. Let me change our investment to $200 and let me open buy position, because I consider this breakout to be the false one. I'm almost sure that price will get back into the channel right now. So that's why let us see, observe, and find out what will we get from this trade. Okay, so it down have $478 on the account. We are ready to continue. Let me try to open buy position, because you can clearly see that buyers are trying to make the buyback of this big red candle, the bearish candle. The buyers are trying to make the buyback of it. $800 on the account. $800 we have right now on the account, and still we have time to open one more trade for today. So let's don't waste our time, let's just do this. And let me immediately open the buy position, because as you can see, previously price has hit the bottom line of the upgoing channel, which acts like the support line zone, and now we are receiving a very nice pullback reaction. This trade is closed. Our deposit is $1,122 that we have right now, and if you remember at the beginning we just had around 25 bucks, so we had made 50 times more than we had at the beginning. My friends, if you want to have the same results like me, it's absolutely possible, and all you need for this is just right now open description and subscribe to my private TG. Do this, don't waste your time, and be in my dream team. See you all, and bye bye.